Hello guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing pretty well. This is Rashidul Islam once again in front of you. Today in this video I'm going to talk about the things that I'm going to share with you through my videos. So let's get into the topic. Um, I'm going to talk about sentence structure, different kind of sentence structure which will help you to learn English properly. I'm also going to talk about common expressions which are essential um, to to speak English. I'm going to talk about grammar as well. Especially, I'm going to talk about tense, verbs, preposition, linking words. Um, Verbs are very essential. Also, learning tense is inevitable to learn English, I think, because without having the proper knowledge of tense, you cannot learn English properly. That's my opinion. Especially you cannot learn English properly in an effective way without having the proper knowledge of verb, and tense. Um, also preposition are very important, because if you want to um, say things accurately, definitely preposition will help you with that, especially appropriate preposition. I'm also going to talk about linking words. Linking words linking words link words, clause, phrases, and sentence together. So linking words are very useful too. I'm going to talk about phrase as well. Native speaker use a lot of phrases here and there. So if you don't have the proper knowledge of phrase, definitely you are going to suffer in the long run. Also, idioms are very essential, because native speaker use idioms often. So having a good knowledge of idiom will help you. Also, that will make your speech ornamental. I'm also going to talk about phrasal verb. Phrasal verb are very important, I think, because in written English, where in spoken English, you will find a lot of phrases are being used. So definitely you gotta have very good knowledge of phrasal verbs. And additionally, I will talk about similes. Similes in Bangla, it means upama. So similes will help you to make your speech ornamental and well decorated. Same goes for proverb. Proverb will also make your speech well decorated and very nice to hear. I'm going to talk about ways to say things too. So I'm going to talk about how to say the same thing in different ways. So that will diversify your speech, and that will seem good, I think. I'm also going to collocations. I'm going to talk about collocations. Collocations are very essential, especially in some occasion. You will find some occasion where if you don't have the proper knowledge of collocation, you will find it very hard to express your thought properly in English. I'm going to talk about how to have conversation with different people. Um, and everybody wants to know that how to have conversation with different people from different countries and culture. I have talked to many people from different countries and cultures, so in that regard I can help you. I'm also going to talk about common mistakes. We will make mistakes, so don't worry about your mistake that much, but what we can do is try to lessen our mistake. So I'm going to talk about common mistakes. I'm going to share tips and tricks related to learning English as well. So that will help you, I think. And those are the main topics. Along with these topics, I'm going to talk about many more things. So stay tuned with me, because there will be a lot of videos coming on your way. So definitely those videos will be helpful for you, I hope. And follow my page and like my videos. and comment on my videos. That will just motivate me to make more and more videos. So stay tuned with me, follow my face, like my videos, and comment on my videos. So no more today. Have a great day. See you in the next video. Bye.